I didn't really think I needed sinus surgery. I just wanted the headaches, infections, and runny nose to stop. My medications were not giving me relief. It was the end of February, and I had already used up all of my sick days at work, and I had another sinus infection. I was sick and tired of being sick and tired. Just walking across the room took all of my energy. Dr. Khetarpal did some tests and recommended sinus surgery. What did I have to lose? He performed the procedure in his office, and I was so glad that I was asleep. It didn't take very long at all, and the after-surgery care was simple. The best part is, now I can breathe. It's amazing what a little oxygen can do for you. Now I feel like doing things. If you're having problems with your sinuses, ask if surgery is right for you. I'm extremely pleased with my results.